What's good, man? What's good? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Before I get started, I got a review on my channel from YouTube, and they informed me that most of my viewers come from non-subscribers. So if you viewing this video or this channel, can you please subscribe? I'll make it easy for you. I'll put a little red box right here. Just click it, and then you'll be subscribed. So help me out. All right. Anyway, what I want to talk about is electrical problem. What I have here is like I think it's the 05 model PC Cruise with electrical problem. Hear me out, electrical problem. Let me tell y'all the very first thing you should check when you're dealing with electrical problems on any car. Electrical problem. If you got an electrical problem, the first thing you should look at is your electrical heartbeat, which is your battery. That is the very first thing you should look at. Visually inspect it, look at it, because that's the heart and soul of your electrical system. Take a peek at your battery. What I did, looked at the battery, and you're not gonna believe what I saw. Heavily corroded battery. Now, I can't even start diagnosis on this car until I repair the corroded battery and make sure the battery is fully charged. See, a lot of y'all out there beating yourself up trying to find electrical problems when in essence you should go straight to the source of an electrical problem, which is your battery. If that's not working, nothing else will work properly. All right, now I'm gonna pull the camera down, bring it up here and show you exactly what I'm talking about and explain to you what corrosion does and what it can do to your electrical system. Let me say this again. Before you do any test on any electrical system or any electrical problem for that matter, do a real good visual inspection on the battery and the terminals and the connections. All right, because if you may have to, in some cases, replace the terminal, clean the battery, and verify the battery is fully charged before you should go any further on any electrical diagnostic. All right. So I want to keep this video short, but like I said, I'm gonna pull the camera down and show you exactly what I'm talking about. And I may even go through the procedure of how I go by cleaning the battery. All right. So let's do this. All right, here we go. Let's get the air cleaner off. We got to get the air cleaner off, and we got to get the air cleaner assembly out of the way. And once we get that out of the way, we can pretty much gain access to the battery. So there you have it, folks. Look at all that corrosion. That is not good. Now this battery is held down by 13 millimeter bolt. I discovered I may need to just go ahead and remove the battery and do a battery service. So let's get these terminals off of here because we're trying to get rid of this corrosion. Now, for the most part, corrosion on the terminal is really due to hydrogen gas being released from the acid in the battery. So it's going to mix with all the other stuff under the hood and cause the corrosion. Now, this is the cleaner that I'm going to use. I'm pretty much going to saturate the battery and the terminals with this stuff and let it set for a minute. This stuff helps find leaks and everything. So if you see like purple signs on this battery, that is the form of a leak. You pretty much have a leak. So I'm going to saturate this battery with this stuff and pretty much just hose it down with a water hose. Now, if you have corrosion on your the positive side, the positive terminal, that's pretty much overcharging. Okay, folks, there you have it, man. I went over the proper way, I guess, to clean and service your battery. You can service a battery. Like I say, the corrosion buildup is gonna happen. Ain't really much way around that. You can put they sell little tabs on it to help prevent corrosion, but it's gonna happen. So basically, inspect your battery, visually inspect it. You know, so often. All right, and you shouldn't have any problem. Thanks for watching, man. Again, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.